Hello guys, I am Professor Shamli Dhante. Today we learn pointer in C programming. Firstly, we discuss the what is meant by pointer and how to use pointer. Firstly, we discuss the definition of the pointer. A pointer is a variable in a C that point to the memory location. It does not directly contain a value like that or float, but just a memory direction. One can reserve some memory on the direction marked by the pointer and use it to store some values on it. Later on, these values are indirectly accessed through the pointer variable. A pointer is a declare as follow. The integer is the database of the C programming like that the integer, char, string, and may be the use as the example of the two pointer to variable to of the same types as the pointer. Int I ptr1 is equal to and %I. Here you have to understand the role played by the character star and in the front of variable. The character star is the front of the variable is used to declare the pointer variable. The character star is also used in the front of a pointer variable to access and retrieve the value contained by the pointer variable, not the address. That is, address is designated by the name itself without the star. The character star is used to access the memory address of any variable. In above example, you have declared an integer pointer ptr1 and the integer variable I. Then you are forcing the pointer ptr1 to pointer to the address of the variable I. Now both ptr1 and I there refer to the same memory address. Consider the example below, understand the concept. The example is has include stdio. This is the header file of our program. Then main function then declare the integer pointer, that's name is ptr1. Then declare the integer I variable, then ptr1 is equal to %n. That means the I ptr1 store the I variable address. I is equal to 3. Printf the value of the I is well, and then second sentence is printf the pointer ptr contain the value of percentage, that's the ptr1. Then example or result is our example is the value of I is 3, that the pointer of ptr contain the value is 3 because ptr1 store the address of I variable. This illustrates the fact of pointer ptr1 is pointing to the address to variable I, hence the AND is referred to as the address of operator. Then next we discuss function using the pointer. You know that the function can return only one value. If you want function to alter more than one variable, you can pass the pointer to the function. To achieve this, the function will not alter the pointer but the contain the pointer. Consider the following example where you are passing two integer pointer in ptr1 and ptr2 a function named swap. Then the now our example is hash include stdio order, and we declare the pointer void swap function and pass the two parameters. First is integer iptr1 and second is integer iptr2. They write the function code integer temp is temporary variable. Temp is equal to star ptr2 and star ptr2 is equal to star ptr1 and star ptr1 is equal to temp. That means the temp store the ptr2's value and ptr2 also store the ptr1 value and ptr1 also store the temp value. That means the swap function main function is integer x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 20. Then passing to the swap function and %x and percent y, that means the address of x function and address of y variable. Printf value of the print1 is ptr1 and the value of the iptr and iptr2. Notes: whenever you are calling the function which expect the pointer as an argument, if you have to pass the address of variable it, the built-in function scanf accept the second argument to be pointer to variable. Consider the statement scanf %f and percent total. Here you are passing the address of variable total. If you just pass the variable total, then the core dump occur when you try to execute this program. Basically this is memory fault on Linux system. Scanf %f and total result in a core dump error. This is our pointer basic concept of pointer and function using the pointer. Thank you for watching my video.